So, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ying. So, now today my topic is the reason why I come to the power speaking and executive presentation. So, before I start my story, then I ask a question. So, do you have an issue when you present to people in a group, or an issue when you presentation to the audience in the hall? For me, yes. Now I also have an issue when I presentation to speaking to each other, whether have 8 audience sitting in here. So the reason why that I a little bit afraid and no confident for speaking because I'm not confident and I scared to provide a wrong information to each other. So, and I'm also afraid when I present finish, then have a Q&A session, they asking a difficult question that I can't provide the correct answer. When you provide a wrong information, this will make the audience listening in a wrong way with the topic. So this will guide them to in a wrong position. So I hope that I come here, that I can learn and improve myself to overcome my all issue when I have a speaking to each other. So that's all for my speaking.